Welcome back. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Today we're going to show you how to rotate a door. So we've created our door, but the only way we can rotate is via the center there, which is not very door-like. So what we're going to do, we're going to hit that tab button into edit, hit number 1, so we're on the vertex. Hit one of those corner ones, depending on which side you want your door to rotate. We are then going to go to Shift and S, and we want to go cursor to selected. Hit Tab to come out, go to Object, set Origin to 3D cursor. And there we go. We've basically just moved our 3D cursor, so now we can animate a rotating door. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video. Ta-da for now.